The students from the Episcopal Seminary would either walk or come on horseback to preach. And
the program today is Jill's show and tell of Lincolnia. And the purpose is to share the history and the landscape and the locations within our Lincolnia area.
My name is Jill Gerald, and I've lived in the Lincolnia area 85 years. I'm going to tell them about me starting school here in this building 79 years ago this month. But first I'm going to tell them about the neighborhood used to be called Lebanon before the Civil War. So I'll give them a little background before I explain the school, the church, and the neighborhood.
Jill is my mother, and somewhere right around 2012, she started coming to the Senior Center because her friend Joanne Hatfield, they started first grade together and went all the way through high school together. And they would be talking about old memories, and the staff here picked up on like, well, hey, wait a minute, you know, do you guys have any pictures that you could share? So my mom's given the presentation 3 times.
I was baby number 8. My mother had not been to the doctor until the first labor pain. So she went to Alexandria Hospital to have a baby. And I was born first. And the doctor said, wait a minute, there's another one coming. So I had a brother born 10 minutes later. We stayed in the hospital 10 days, the 3 of us. And the hospital bill, a picture of it's in there. And the bill was $53 and something.
I think it's great. She loves to share it, and she's never hesitated to say no, she's not going to do it. Like she and I spend time together getting everything ready and making sure, like, we made the poster boards we have here today with pictures many years ago, but before we came here today, like, we refreshed some of them. We put more titles on some of the pictures that she wanted to add. So, it's just some bonding time for us as well, and her being able to tell me stories because she has so much family history and so much history in this area. And getting that down on video, like having you ask like about that history, I think is important because someday there's going to be someone that doesn't remember any of that.
It's a very historical area, and it was pretty much demolished during the Civil War. And because my father was born about a block from here in 1885, and I just want to let these people know how it was back in the olden days.